Well, here's the truck coming. Oh shit. I wonder what he's after. Well, this is what I've got to do all day, every day. Here we go, the first bucket. That'll do plenty, just stop there. As you see, it's stress free this job. All you do is fill up the bucket, round we go again, and empty the fucking bucket. And look at the view I get all day. See all the nice foggy hills in front of me? Well, there you go, you don't often see that. Another one. There's only the one truck line today, so I've got loads of time in my hands to read papers. I'm sick of reading papers. There we go, he's getting there now, he's almost full. It's never far away with this one. Oh, yeah, that's a big bucket pig. Obviously not enough. Here's another one. Right, we'll go round this way this time because this will just confuse Davey altogether. You're wondering what the hell is he doing? Well, it's called put the board up. I think that's enough. I'll give him a wee peep. And away he goes. And he'll lob along to back for another load. So there we go, folks. Goodbye.